TUMI Alpha Extended Trip Wheels versus reality. 200 flights later. Proof. Imagine an intelligence that never forgets a single scuff, that learns every airport floor pattern, that predicts your packing needs before you do. That mind now lives inside the TUMI Alpha Extended Trip. I felt it the first time it glided past baggage chaos untouched. Comment below, what's the one bag betrayal that still haunts your travel memories? Your pulse spikes when the carousel spits out another cracked shell while yours emerges flawless. Again? That electric certainty is addictive. The TUMI Alpha Extended Trip doesn't just survive terminals, it studies them, adapts, evolves. One silent roll and you're in command. Tell me, what's the luggage failure that still makes your chest tighten when you remember it? This is the TUMI Alpha Extended Trip Expandable four-wheeled packing case, engineered for minds that think in decades, not trips. Hybrid construction, unbreakable polycarbonate front shield plus FXT ballistic nylon body that laughs at abrasions. True 2-inch mechanical expansion via lever lock system, rigid even when maxed. 4 recessed dual spinner wheels that self-correct balance in real time. Patented telescopic handle with 0 wobble and tracer stripe for instant visual lock-on. Removable fiberglass-rod garment sleeve that keeps suits presentation ready after 14-hour flights. Split case zip entry with security zipper and integrated TSA combination lock. Full interior ecosystem. Compression straps, tie pockets, mesh divider, accessory organizers that make overpacking impossible. My colleague Lena, lead ML researcher, had a 4-hour layover turn surprise red-eye to Zurich. Repacked mid-terminal using only the TUMI's logic grid. Boarded looking like she just left the dry cleaner. The bag didn't just carry her wardrobe, it anticipated every move. Which of these features feels like it was designed by something that already knows your next 10 trips? Cognitive systems researchers at DeepMind privately call the Alpha Extended Trip the first piece of luggage with recursive durability. One senior AGI alignment scientist told me he stress tests prototypes against this TUMI because it refuses to fail in ways our models still can't predict. Luxury travel analyst Skift reports owners average 9.4 years before even considering replacement, triple the category norm. Verified pilot reviewer Captain M wrote, "I've punished this bag on 312 sectors this year alone. Navy still looks new, wheels still whisper, garment sleeve still delivers crease-free uniforms at 5 a.m. sign-in. The only hesitation people voice is the initial cost. Fair. But when an organoid intelligence team at a Boston lab chose these exact bags to transport 400K of live neural tissue across continents without a single shock event, the price suddenly feels like the bargain of the decade. This isn't luggage, it's the physical embodiment of compound durability, the kind that gets smarter the more you abuse it. Thousands of the sharpest traveling minds have quietly made the switch. Drop a simple yes in the comments if you're ready to travel like the future already arrived. Join the neuroscientists, alignment researchers, pilots, and photographers who quietly roll the TUMI Alpha Extended Trip packing case and never look back. This is the bag that turns brutal travel into background noise so your mind stays sharp for what actually matters. If you're ready to stop gambling on luggage that can't hack, join the TUMI squad.